Hey, it's Mike from BumblePair, and this is quick and easy colors for your iOS app. So you've come up with an idea for the next big viral app. You've sketched out some mock-ups, you've rendered some cool wireframes, and now it's time to hack away at that prototype. You and I both know the fastest way to prototype an app is to build out a few simple black and white views with content placeholders so that you get a sense of where everything goes. But at some point, you'll want to start bringing your app to life with the use of colors. There's a few basic ways to do colors in Swift: default system colors, basic colors, and custom colors. Most apps use custom colors, so here's a quick and easy way to manage custom colors across your app's code. The strategy here is to use Swift's extensions feature. This allows you to add functionality to a class without having to subclass it. In this case, we'll be extending Swift's UI color class, which is used in most places that you can set a color to. So here's what we're going to do. Create an extensions file named UIColor plus extensions.swift. This is the common naming convention for the extensions file because it makes it clear what class we're extending without having to look at the contents of the file. In your extensions file, we're going to create a class named after your app, like the next big viral app. Now, the trick is to create a bunch of static let variables that compute to the custom colors of your app. This is what it looks like in practice. We first start out with our basic black and white view controller with some content placeholders. We then create our UI color extensions file. We then grab our color template that we'll be using throughout our app. And now we add our custom colors to our extensions files. Apps typically have a primary color, a secondary color, a tertiary color, and a few accent colors. Now, anywhere that you need to use color in your app, you simply type in UI color dot name of the app dot name of the color. This is what the app looked like before colors, and this is what it looks like with the use of some simple and consistent colors. And that's it. You can now manage your app's custom colors in a simple way that is quick, easy to remember, consistent, and convenient to use. Links to the sample project and custom color palette tool used in this video will be in the description below. This was Mike from BumbleParrot. Now get back to work.